Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I still think this looks like impulse down, A or 1, probably A. 3 waves up, B or 2, probably B. And I still think there's a very good likelihood this is going to go down for a wave C, which would go down to one of these two Fibonacci extensions. Or possibly it's a wave 3, which would take it all the way down here. Which at this point, like I always say, is not important to really know whether this is a 3 or a C, because either scenario, we are most likely in for a big uptrend if it is going to follow through with that move. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still am looking at this move down as a 1. I still think this move up looks like a corrective wave 2. I still think this move down is possibly already the very early stages of a big wave 3. Probably a wave 3 of wave C based on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we didn't really bounce off a fib level, but I mean, it definitely looks like impulsive up, 3 waves down, very overlapping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, which is most likely an ending diagonal wave C. So ending diagonals are only supposed to happen in a wave 5 or a wave C, so it would make a lot of sense for this to be an end of an ABC already. And if that's the case, then this move is definitely going to be a crescent to the downtrend, like a 1, a 2, and a wave 3. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, some of these dollar pairs look like they've already ended a crescent, and this is definitely one of them. Impulsive up, kind of 3 waves down. Definitely a little bit odd with the higher high right there, but 3 waves down, impulsive up. We may already have the 1, we may already have a complete wave 2, and this actually does look like a trend. We do have some dollar news coming out today, so maybe the dollar news will cause it to go up a little bit, but even if it does, I think it's just a subdivision of this move down, like a 1, 2, and 3 of wave 3. So taking a look at it on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like a trend, even though it's very overlapping. Like I said, with the dollar news coming out today, we do have to be a little cautious. The trend is definitely down, and I definitely would be looking for shorts unless it broke this structure to the upside. But we have to be cautious. It may just keep on going down, so I personally wouldn't even try to go long unless it made a significant break of structure, and even then I think it's just going to be an ABC correction. So most likely any longs you take are going to be very counter trend, very short-term scalp type trades and then the trade that I would really be looking for is short at the end of this ABC. Hopefully this right here is a wave 1, hopefully this right here is a wave 2, hopefully it goes down for that wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, linked in the card up above. Also, don't forget to take a look at my new website, linked to the left of this video down here. So, as always, happy trading and good luck.